Hello, welcome. 100 easy English sentences for kids. I like to play outside. My favorite color is red. Let's go to the playground. Can I have a cookie? Good morning, Daddy. Time to brush teeth. Read me a story. It's bedtime now. I'm hungry, please. Look at the butterflies. My pet is Fluffy. I can tie my shoes. Thank you for helping. I'm sorry for spilling. Walk with me. My birthday is soon. I miss my friend. Wash hands before eating. Feeling sleepy now. I draw with crayons. Pizza for dinner. Can I have the blue one? Dogs are cute. Teach me something new. The sun is so bright. My tooth is wiggly. Let's play hide and seek. Be careful, it's hot. May I have a hug? I made this for you. Look at the stars. Teach me to ride a bike. Put on your jacket. I like bananas. Happy to see you. Let's build a sandcastle. Can I have some water? Feeling better now. I love to sing. Dinosaurs are cool. Time to clean up. Can I help cook? My turn to play. Feeling silly today. Family is important. Rainy days are cozy. Count with me. I want to be a superhero. Let's make paper airplanes. Share your toys, please. Picnic in the park. Firefighters are brave. Look at the pretty flowers. Summer is fun. I'm afraid of the dark. Let's dance together. Trip to the zoo. Learning to read. Set the table. Blow bubbles with me. Clean your room. Excited about our trip. Planting flowers is fun. Can we watch a movie? Feeling shy. Popcorn is yummy. I want to learn to swim. Look at the rainbow. Feeling tired now. Build a fort with me. Visit Grandma and Grandpa. Friends are fun. I love art class. Time to put on your shoes. Feeling hungry again. Let's go for a walk. Ice cream for dessert. I wonder why. Kittens are adorable. Halloween is spooky. Let's play a game. Can I have a sleepover? I'm feeling happy. Robots are cool. Balloons are colorful. Teach me to play music. Time for bed now. I'm thankful for you. Let's have a tea party. Beach day tomorrow. I'm feeling bored. Teddy bears are cuddly. Trucks are loud. Let's draw together. Turn off the lights. Let's bake cookies. Playdate with friends. I feel a little lonely. Fish are colorful. Let's learn something new.